we go, immune boosting smoothie, tart cherry juice, black cherry juice. If you can juice your cherries fresh when they're in season, it's a good thing to do. But for right now, this is what I have. Cilantro, if you eat a lot of fish, you need to detox that. Heavy metals, grapefruit, vitamin C, and it also helps the iron come out of the greens, absorb into your body from the greens. Yay! Then we have a little banana, and that is for sweetness and potassium and fiber. Yes. And then we have 3 blend berries, and I have blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries in there. And this is so important. Chlorella and spirulina. This is algae, phytonutrients from the ocean. Oh, it's going to give you all the ingredients that you need to boost your immune system and to detox you. This is what you want. Put that on the whole juice button, not the smoothie button, so it breaks down all those cell walls and really gets that stuff nice and small and drinkable. See how I have my smoothie drinkable? Like, I don't like it all thick.